Oi, oi, oi! Welcome, lads, to another episode of Lads Product Reviews.
You know the lads, the ones out there making their own ham.
She knows about the ham, lads. Quick! Your cousin still got that safety deposit box at the bank? We can get the ham in there. We'll have to hurry. Christmas is coming soon, and that ham's gonna sell like hotcakes. Sometimes the intro hurts my throat, I'm not gonna lie. So, we got a special episode today. I mean, they're all special, right? They're my children. Anyways, I can't even say that without laughing. A couple of days ago, I got an email from a company that sells mossy oak, Flissa knives, and workpro tools. Yes, that's it. I think there were some other things in the email that she told me that they sold. But the company were like, "Hey, we're doing some Black Friday sales coming up. Can we send you some stuff and you could do a video?" And I was like, "Yeah, no, totally on board, 100%. How do we get this moving?" Anyways, that was Wednesday morning. It is Saturday afternoon. I have a package in front of me, and I don't know what's in it. So we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we got. There's a workpro box. There's mossy oak box. There's some random white packing stuff. Okay, that feels like that's all the hard stuff that's in here. What's this we got? Okay, it looks like they sent me their... Well, I'm not going to tell you what it is. We're going to unbox it. Now that I know what it is. Let's get that out of the way. We'll put that back over here with the bag. Let's go ahead and do the mossy oak thing first. Alright, we got a pruning saw. It has... Oh, it's got two different saw types and you can quick change between them. That's pretty cool. And it also folds down in the sheath. Ew. And it's got both blades in the sheath. And it's got two of those. Looks like it's probably got some manufacturing oil on it. Did not do a good job getting that on camera. And how does the... Oh, the quick release is just this knob over here. Just loosen that. And then pull the blade out. And then you can swap between them. Did I tighten it too much? Let's try. Suppose I could have looked at the instructions, but there we go. Got it folded all the way down now. That'll probably help. Here at Lads Product Reviews, we don't look at the instructions. Yeah, it's better when you're changing it out to have it. I got some wiggle though, and remember how I talk about blade play? But that might be on me. Let's do some centering. Yeah, that's quite stiff now. And everything fits in the sheath. So these... Okay, so the finer ones are metal, and then the bigger teeth are wood. So actually it makes more sense to do it like this. Okay, I guess even though it's got the lanyard hole, it's supposed to go in that way, which is a little confusing. But then it's got a well, at least you know that button's not going anywhere. And it's got a quick snap here so you could carry it on your belt. So if you're out in the woods or whatever and you need to saw a branch or something that's in your way, you're out bushwhacking. That's pretty cool. I could see how that'd be super useful. And it's nice that you can pretty much quick change the blades. And we're going to open this real quick. The workpro. Ooh, 10 razor blades. Yay. Oh, is this a 3-pack? That's cool. That's a 3-pack. I kind of don't like the lockback lock. Probably makes sense for the handle since it's shaped the way it is. But I don't like that you have to two-hand it. The pivot's really, really stiff. But, I mean, this is a work knife. Oh. It's trying to make it seem like you just... What do you push on? Oh, you push there. Okay. It's got a quick release here, so the release on the blade itself is basically like a lockback. That's kind of cool that the blade release is that quick. It had plastic on the... The pocket clips on these are actually pretty decent. Pretty stiff. It looks like they'd probably be able to come in and out of the pocket real easy, but also be secure. The main thing I don't like is how it's starting to ease up a little bit after some work. There is no screw to adjust the pivot. There's just that right there, those two little grooves. I guess if you had the right tool, you might be able to adjust the pivot on these. But other than that... And then... 10 razor blades. I wonder if they all say workpro on them. They do. I like the carrying case. Or the cartridge case. That's cool, there's 10 in there. It looked like it said somewhere that they were stainless. Okay, I don't know where I read that. Oh. It was on these instructions I put back in the box. Okay, I'm crazy. It doesn't say stainless anywhere on here. It's just sharp blade enclosed. So I thought it might have been stainless. I mean, this potentially still is. I'm not sure. So, I think I'll have to talk to my wife. My wife! But I think what I want to do... Get these all out here. That's probably going to be the screenshot once I get to it. Not the screenshot, the thumbnail. You know what I'm saying. I think what I want to do is we're going to do a giveaway on Instagram. And I'll put up all the details when I get it ironed out. My wife might want the part of this, but I'm going to probably at least do a giveaway for one of the workpro knives. What I'll do when I get all the details ironed out is I'll put up all the details on the community page. But what I'm thinking is to drive up the Instagram traffic. To be eligible for the giveaway, you'll have to go like the Instagram page for Lads Product Reviews. You'll have to @ someone in the comments when I make the post for the giveaway, which I'll link in the community tab on YouTube. And then tag someone. So you'll have to like the Instagram, tag someone, and like the picture. And I think I'll give away one of these 3. Probably going to end up keeping the 10-pack of blades and the mossy oak pruner, I think. That might change. I will have everything up in the community tab when it becomes time to go about doing that. Real quickly, since we're getting at the end of the video, though, I always mention at the end that down below in a pinned comment, there's going to be the link to the Patreon page, the Instagram page, and then our affiliate links, starting with King's Camo Outdoor Gear, Priority Tires, Crossman Air Rifles, Raven Crossbows, Try the World International Food Subscription Box, W Energy Drink. If you follow that link, it should automatically put in the code LADS_FEEL2025 at checkout and give you, I think, a 10% discount. If it doesn't, just put in the discount code on checkout, LADS_FEEL2025. Traverson Outdoor Supplies, Pisca Fun Fishing Supplies, Zeal Pet Food, Tide Weed Duck Hunting Supplies, Norman Walsh Footwear, and then 2-page curtains. They sell curtains for a decent price if you're looking for curtains for your house. Anyways, like, share, subscribe this video. And I will post something later up about the giveaway when I get to it. But everyone have a great Monday, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, thank you. Bye.